Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenna. To those who are new and to those who've been subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for your subscriptions. As you can see, today we are doing a different video. I'm going to be washing this wig featuring my hair, which I sell at Jay's Real Hair. If you don't know about it, please go and check it out on Instagram. So we want to make sure that our curls remain defined and remain nice. So I start off with shampoo. Please note that I only use the shampoo on the lace part, my closure, because yes, I've worn this wig for several times and the closure is actually dirty. So that's what I use. That's where I use the shampoo. Then the rest of the parts I go in with the conditioner. The reason why we only go in with the conditioner, we wash our wig using the conditioner, is because the conditioner doesn't take out moisture as the shampoo. So this is done to make sure that moisture remains in the wig so that the curls hold for longer time, I mean. So you make sure that when you're washing your wig, you start from the roots to the ends, as you can see, and also make sure that your water is warm. So I wash my wig and make sure that it's clean using a conditioner. Please note. So after washing and making sure it's clean, I then go in again with a conditioner and apply generously. Then I fold my wig to put it in a plastic bag. So make sure when you're putting your wig in a plastic bag, it's sealed and no air is going through. So I used this method of doing it because I didn't want to remove much moisture from my hair by using the boiling method, but you can always also use the boiling method. But this one saves your curls as well because it maintains the moisture in your curls. So yeah, so I leave that package for a day. And then as you can see, I did not use any comb. I only used my fingers to go through the hair, so the shading becomes less. As you can see, that's the only hair which came out. So the following day, I take out the package and I then open to make sure that I rinse off the conditioner because it would have done its work. As you can see, the curls are maintained and they are there and they look defined because we So I then take out a clean towel to dry my wig before I put it out to air dry. I do not use any dryer, so make sure that even when you are air drying your wig, you don't put it in direct sunlight. You just leave it where it's there aren't harsh rays coming from the sky. Yeah, just treat this hair is like your hair, the way you treat your natural hair, African hair. It's the same way you treat the Brazilian hairs and everything. So I then, after drying with the towel, I then just use my coat hanger and two pegs to just make sure I hang the hair. And this is the end result. Look how the curls are like when I bought the wig.